This is a piano tutorial on the Christmas song We Three Kings. And this is a little bit different sounding. It's in a minor key. At least a lot of minor chords in the song. So we'll be teaching you those chords. If there are a couple new ones here that might be new for you if you're a beginner. First of all, we're playing it as a soloist here, so I'll show you the fingering in the right hand for the melody. Your fifth finger is going to start on this B note. You got to watch out for that F sharp there. That repeats itself. You got to put your thumb up on this G note. And then you run out of fingers there. You have to go over with your third finger on that F sharp there. And then you got another F sharp. And if you haven't seen this before, there's a little symbol above that note. And if you know this song at that point, you put a hold on that note. It doesn't have anything to do with the rhythm there. The rhythm of the note is an eighth note, but you're going to hold it a lot longer than that. You just hold it out as long as you see fit, and then it starts up again with your tempo on the next note. Fourth finger on G. Then you put your thumb on that G note so you can go up. And then you put when you hit two G notes in a row there, but the first one's on with your thumb, and then your fourth finger goes to the next one. So not really too tricky with the fingering. That's the right hand melody, and then you've got to learn the chords for the left hand. And you have an E minor chord here, which is, you're going to do that root position. That's E, G, B. And that's a B7 chord. And what we're going to do is, we're going to play that, actually, we're just going to play a B chord there. It's going to be D sharp, F sharp, and B. And then back to the E minor chord again. E, G, B. And then that phrase repeats. B7. Then you move your thumb here. And then you got a D chord. D, F sharp, and A. And that's a G chord, D, G, B. An A minor there, E, A, C on top. There's an E minor again, E, G, B. And then that B7, B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp, B. And there's your E minor again. Then you have a D chord, D, F sharp, and A. And then it's a G, D, G, B there. There's your C chord, C, E, G. Again, G chord, E minor, E, G, B. And there's some quick changes in the next couple measures there. It's D, D, F sharp, A, G. And it might be easy to do the C chord there like that, so it's G, D, G, B, and that's E, G, and C. Back to this G, your C chord again, and the end on the G chord. And this is what it sounds like when you put it together.